folks, I have a mini 5-string to show you today. This was a project a long time in the making. The customer had to cancel their order, but then I saved the parts and they came back for it, and it just really worked out great for both of us. So it was fun because walnut is a normal wood for me, but for the secondary wood he asked for maple. So it's kind of fun to put one together from all walnut and maple. For the fretboard and head plate, I chose some bird's eye figured maple, which just looks cool. It's hard to catch it in the light, isn't it? There we go. Really nice looking. And then walnut neck with the maple stripe, maple cap. Then walnut block rim with the maple cap. And the bridge, walnut and maple. Right? So this is the heavier set of strings, so it's tuned down to open G right now. I actually prefer this size instrument tuned up a whole step to A, like an A scale banjo. Either way, it works great, but yeah, it's really fun. People have been buying these because they play big banjo and they want to have a travel or a small or a couch banjo. So yeah, the open G or open A tuning works great. So yeah, and also the customer wanted a K&K pickup, so we've got that in there. I haven't had a walnut one in a while, and it's kind of been nice to play it today. It's sweeter, it's softer, it's mellower. It takes a little different touch than the oak and maple ones I've been building lately. Yeah, it just feels really, I mean, it's plenty loud, but it feels polite. Maybe polite's not the word. I don't know how to describe it. It's just nice. So yeah, walnut and maple. This straight grain walnut is from the Carpenter Ant stash in Portland. And this bird's eye maple is too. So that is number 809. Cheers.